Hi, everybody, and welcome back to your new course. I am Helen, your instructor for BUS220 Principles of Management. We're going to dive into the world of management. We're going to share our personal experiences and learn about good ways to manage and what challenges managers have faced. This course is very writing intensive, so sharpen your pencils, get out your dictionary, and be prepared to write. If you don't like writing, you can dictate to Microsoft Word, but you're still going to have to use the writing process. And we'll be talking about that in one of our Zoom meetings coming up. Class begins on Monday, September 11th. Be sure to sign into your course right away, early in the week. I'll be watching and reminding you if you happen to miss that opportunity. Our first live meeting will be held on Wednesday. There'll be 2 sessions, one in the morning, one in the evening. Check your course to actually see the link and the times of the meetings. You can check it by clicking on the link on the left panel of your course called Zoom Meetings. That's a change from your last course. It's not web meetings, it's Zoom meetings, and it launches into Zoom. It takes you out of your course and into a new window where you will see all of your Zoom meetings, all of our live sessions, the times, and remember that the times posted are Pacific times. You'll have to do a conversion if you don't live in the Pacific area. With that said, I'm excited to be your instructor for this term, and I want to remind you to use Yellow Dig often, get those points. Keep an eye on your punctuation, on your grammar, on your English when you're doing your assignments. Don't wait until the last minute to turn them in. But if life does get in the way and you need an extension, ask for it. I'm happy to give you some extra time. I just don't want you to be late on everything and have everything to do in the last week and be struggling to catch up, because this is a tougher course to catch up on. You'll have Learnits to work on, and you are all about Learnits. You know what they're about, and start them up. A couple of them, 2 or 3 of them at a time on the first day of class. You've got a book. You've got a new book. Open it up. It's a great reference book. It's got some great stories in it, and I want you to read it often. What else can I tell you about our course? We're going to have some fun, and you've got great ACs. You've got opportunities to get help from a number of different people here at Bryan University. We want you to be successful. We want you to do well, and I know you will. You have the growth mindset to succeed. Look at where you are already. I will see you soon on the 15th. No, not the 15th, the 13th of September. That's a Wednesday, either in the morning or later in the afternoon. I will see you on September 13th. Catch you later.